Hey everybody, it's Tiffany Lashmet with the Texas A&M Agricultural Law YouTube channel. Let's talk a little bit about property tax deadlines. The month of April is here, and April 30th is a really important deadline at your county appraisal district for people that are involved in production agriculture or who have land and they want to qualify for open space or agricultural use property tax valuation or wildlife management valuation. So I really want to flag this as an issue for those of you who may have purchased land or inherited land in the last year. Make sure you go to your local county appraisal district and get the paperwork done to get that land in your name and to make sure that you will continue receiving that open space, agricultural use, or wildlife management property tax valuation. That's not automatic. So just because your prior owner or your granddad or whoever it was had that valuation, you have to go to the appraisal district and complete the paperwork to make sure you continue receiving that. And for many people, we're talking at least tens of thousands of dollars a year in property taxes that can be saved by making sure you get that paperwork done. Another deadline that's coming up, same thing, April 30th. If you're wanting to convert your property from currently having that open space ag use valuation to wildlife management property tax valuation, that's a conversion you can make, but the deadline to do that is April 30th. And so there are a lot of hoops you have to jump through to do that. There's paperwork at the county appraisal district. There's also a wildlife management plan that you'll need to complete. But just be aware that if you're looking to do that this year with your property, that deadline is really important. All right. Same April 30th deadline also applies if you're somebody who maybe has owned land for some amount of time and you now want to get it into that open space or ag use valuation, right? In order to do that, you've got to show that there's been agricultural production on the property for at least 5 of the last 7 years. So if that's an application you're wanting to make for the first time, same April 30th deadline applies. So I would encourage you, make sure you know if any of these deadlines are going to affect you. Go talk to your local county appraisal district. Make sure you get all of the paperwork filed to take advantage of these special use valuations that are available to qualifying rural land in Texas.